If you're financing your next home, appraisals are going to be part of that deal generally, and they're important to lenders because lenders are trying to establish the value of that home, and that's what they're going to. They're either going to lend on two things. They're going to lend on the lower of the two. So it's either the purchase price, or if the appraisal comes in lower than the purchase price, they're going to loan on that amount. Now, appraisals are actually important to you because with the markets that we've had over the last couple of years in the GTA, where there's been a lot of multiple offers, a lot of bidding, a lot of homes going over asking, um, what we have found is that sometimes, I'm not saying oftentimes, but sometimes, especially when the market's shifting, what we can see is, let's say you paid $1 million for this home in multiple offers, you're conditional on financing, the bank does an appraisal and they appraise it at 925 or 935. It's actually more common than you might imagine. And so, that's important for you to know because that's certainly going to affect your equity position on how you move forward with that home. And that's if there is a big disparity, it may write the whole deal off for you. So even in these busy multiple offer markets where a lot of times people are going in quote unquote firm, they're not doing, they're not putting in a finance condition. I personally still put in an appraisal condition because at some point down the road, if you're going to have financing on this home, the bank is going to need to get in there and do an appraisal on that. So we need to allow for that. So if you would like a copy of my buyer checklist and I can take you through the complete process, feel free to shoot me a DM and I'll get that over to you. And any questions about appraisals, let me know.